Hi guys, welcome to another YouTube video from Ross Perry Productions. Well, this is actually the first video on my 2013 Honda CRF230F, and you may have already seen some of my videos on the Jeep Wrangler or the Moto motorcycle carrier. But like I say, this is mainly just introducing the Honda CRF230 to my channel, as I'll be making quite a few videos on it. And I thought I'd also just give you some information in this video, which is the location of the VIN number. Now, relatively easy on these bikes, but I just thought I'd give you a quick pointer just in case you can't find it or the sticker is actually worn off. So they're both found in the same location. So just down here, on the right hand side of the bike, just in front of the petrol tank, you've got this sticker with a barcode, and that tells you that it's a CRF230FU model, and there's my VIN number. And the VIN number is actually stamped into the front of the frame just here as well, in case your sticker's gone missing. Now, you need your VIN number in case there's slightly different variations of your year, and there's different parts. So if you order some parts online or from a shop, they often ask you for your VIN number. Now, you can actually find out other stuff using this number. So I done a couple of searches on this bike and I found out it's a 2013, which I knew, but it was actually built in Brazil. So I'll put some links down in the description as well, so you can put your VIN numbers in there and hopefully find out some more information about your bike. Now, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please go ahead, give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos that are going to come up on the 230, and please subscribe to my channel.